Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is a designer application which you can create different things. If you go to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, you can find the different format. For example, animated design, social media posts, blogging, marketing, events, advertising. And for example, you click to the Facebook post option. And here you can find different templates. Just select one and click to the use this template button. In the photos section you can search or upload pictures, and you can change or delete the text. If you go to the text box in the font section, you can select different font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section you can find different graphic elements which were created by professional graphic designer. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project, and in the video section you can search or upload videos. In the music section you can find different music, and just select one and click to the plus icon. New, you can edit this song, you can trim or replace that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.